Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's computer class. Today we are going to study about Introduction to MS Excel 2013. As I said in the previous class, this chapter already we covered. So since after a week we are getting back to our classes, I'm going to give a glance about this MS Excel through the practical session. Okay, then I'm going to discuss the exercise questions. Also, I will send the question and answers today. So everyone copy the question and answer in your computer notebook. Got it? Well, students, so as you know, MS Excel, it's a spreadsheet program. It's a spreadsheet program. We can make simple and complex calculations using this MS Excel. Okay, not a manual work, pen and paper. We can just enter the data in Excel and the Excel will automatically calculate the values using formulas called functions. Okay, so today we are going to study again about the MS Excel, the components of the window, how to enter data and other details. Got it? Okay, let's go to practical session. Welcome back to today's practical session, dear students. Today, actually, I'm going to just discuss about what we studied in earlier classes, that is in MS Excel. Okay, we already studied this chapter. It is just an overview of this chapter. Those have forgot this chapter, you can just recollect things from this video class. Okay, fine. Let me open Microsoft Excel. So, do you know how to open Microsoft Excel? Yes, actual procedure, start button, all programs, Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Excel. Here in the search box, I'm typing Excel. Okay, I have a best match over here. As I said, I'm using 2007 version. Okay, so let me click here. You can see this is the Excel screen. This is your Excel screen, and we studied that this is an Excel program, right? So Excel, it's a spreadsheet program, spreadsheet software, you can call it as. It is a type of application software. It's a type of application software, and this is a very popular spreadsheet program, and the main purpose of this software is mainly to keep up the record of raw data and make simple and complex calculations. This Excel program will do the simple and complex calculations very easily. That's the main reason it is very popular. Is it clear? So Dash is a very popular spreadsheet software or software program, anything we can call it as. Okay. So Dash is a popular spreadsheet software. Microsoft Excel, it's a popular spreadsheet software. Okay. And here the first thing you know, the first place, this is a title bar, then menu bar, and the comments are here. And let's see what is here, the work area. So do you know what do we call this work area as? Yes, this is called worksheet. This is called worksheet. So how does this worksheet looks like? You can see that lot of rows and columns are there, right? So you can see that the worksheet, it's made up of rows and columns. And when the rows and columns intersect each other, what do you get? We are getting a cell. We are getting a cell. Okay. See, I have clicked somewhere here. See, when I click, you can see a black color border around the cell. That is called active cell. So which is the active cell? Which has a black border around it. Okay. So all of you follow my mouse pointer. Okay. So let me click somewhere else here. Yes. Let me click here. So wherever you click, that particular cell, it's getting highlighted with a black border, which is called active cell. Okay. Then, so now just I'm clicking on this cell and just clicking and dragging the mouse. So now you can see many cells are selected, right? So what do we call it as? That's good. We call it as range of cells. We call it as range of cells. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cells are selected. So when we select multiple cells together, we call it as range of cells. We call it as range of cells. Okay. Then see here, so many cells are here. How to identify each cell? So in a classroom, 30 or 40 students are there, right? So how do we identify each student? With their name. Similarly, each cell has its own address. Each cell has its own address. So do you remember what is the cell address? What is meant by cell address? And how does it is made up of? Yes, it is made up of column header and row number. Okay, you can see left side, you can see one by one vertically it is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which goes on, right? And similarly, you can see from left to right A, B, C, D. Horizontally it is written which goes on, right? So that is called column header. So cell address is nothing but it's a combination of column header and row number. Okay, so what is the cell address of this particular active cell? You can see the column it's G, and what is the row number? 7. So G7 is the address of this active cell. Okay, now can you tell me what is the address of this cell? Everyone look clearly. What is the address of this active cell? Yes, it is E2, which is E2. Okay, then what about this? Again G, no need. Okay, let me take this as I9. I9 is the address of this active cell. Is it clear for everyone? That's good. Okay, so this is a column header and left side you can see the row number. Okay, and just above the column header, we can see two more bars, right? So who remembers the name of the bar? The first one here. See, when I keep the cursor itself, which pop-ups with the one small piece of paper. What is written there? Yes, it is a name box. It is called name box. Okay, so name box means wherever you click on, the particular cell's address will be displayed on the name box. See, I have clicked on this particular cell. What is the cell address? G5. So G5, which is written here. So the name box displays the address of the active cell, currently active cell. See, let me click somewhere else. So you can see what is the cell address, which is N10, right? So you can see the same N10 here in the name box. So what is the purpose of this name box? To display the address of the active cell, currently active cell. Is it clear? That's good. And then next one, this is called formula bar, which is called formula bar. Here you can enter formula, data, anything you can enter. Clear? Okay. So I have a question for you. What is this workplace is called as? Just tell me, what do we call this workplace as? That's good. We call it as worksheet. We call it as worksheet. Clear? Okay. So at the bottom, you can see sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So how many sheets are there? 3 sheets are there, right? So in Excel, when you open a particular file, you will get by default 3 sheets. You will get 3 sheets by default. If you want to add extra sheets, you can just click on the next button as sheet will be added. See, I'm keep clicking, another sheet is getting added. Sheet 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Likewise, you can keep go ahead and add it. Okay. So if you want to delete it, just right click, delete. That's enough. And if you want to give another name, just right click. Okay. Rename. You can see, sorry, keep on the click on the cell, right click, rename. You can see which is highlighted. Now we can delete it and change the name. Okay, so this is 5th standard, okay, or class 5. You can write anything as you like. Got it? Okay, so likewise you can just rename the sheets also. You can add sheets and also you can delete sheets. Okay, then what is this Excel file it's called as? How do we call the Excel file as? The Excel files are called as workbook. Do you see book 1? It's written here. So how do we call it as? We call it as workbook. So each workbook has how many sheets by default? 3 sheets. Clear, students? That's good. Okay, next. Let's see how to enter data in this worksheet and what type of data we can enter. See, when I enter, I can say serial number. Okay, so serial number, it's what type of data it is? It's going to be the number, right? So you have to say number data type. Then name. So when I type a name it's alphabets. Name it's nothing but alphabets. It's a combination of alphabets. So we can enter a text data type. We can enter a text data type. Okay. So that is what we can enter, and also we can enter formulas. Okay. So 5 plus 3, A1 plus B1. Okay. A1 into B1. All type of mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So all type of calculations we can do with this Excel. Okay, so that is the data types we can enter in Excel. Okay, so this is what we studied in Excel and this is what given for you. Okay, and how to save this file also we have to study. So saving, it's a same procedure. Control S or go to Office tab and then click on the S button. Let me use Control S. Okay, so Control S I have given. So you can see save as dialog box appears. So first select the location where you want to save it. Okay. As you know, I always save it with data drive 1 and with my folder. Okay. So book name you can give in the file name box, give some name. The name I want to give it's test. Okay. So after typing the name, click on save button. The file will automatically saved with test.xlsx. So what is xlsx? Which is a file extension. Which is a file extension of Microsoft Excel. Clear, students? Okay, so this is what we studied. But I would like to teach you one more concept which is not given in the text. Okay, all of you listen carefully. See, I want to enter numbers from 1 to 50. I want to enter numbers from 1 to 50. Can you help me how to do it? I clicked over here. So 1, go down. Okay, using the arrow keys, go to the next cell. 3, 4. So do you think that it is easy to type 1 to 50 or 1 to 100? No, right? We have to keep type. But Excel makes our task very easy. Okay, Excel also makes our task very easy by using fill handle tool. All of you say fill handle. Fill handle tool. Okay, so fill, what does it mean by filling? So filling means we are filling something, right? So automatically this will fill. That is called fill handle. Okay, so if you see the active cell, carefully look the active cell at the right side bottom right corner. Do you see a small square here? So when I keep the cursor, you can see it becomes again a plus symbol, right? So that is called fill handle, which is called fill handle. See the magic. First, I am typing 1. Second, I am typing 2. So I'm just telling the computer, the Excel, that what format I need. Okay, I need 1 after 2. So that means the difference is 1, right? So then select both the cells. By clicking and dragging, select both the cells. Keep the cursor in the fill handle, then click and drag it. Up to 50 I need. See, I have gone to 350 or something. So I don't want that much. So up to 50 is enough. See 50. See automatically which filled. No need to type. Within a fraction of seconds it's filled, right? So that's a magic. It's called fill handle tool. Is it clear? So what is the name of the tool? Fill handle. What is the purpose? To automatically fill the logical series. To automatically fill the logical series, we are using this fill handle. Now let's see. I want to type Sunday, Monday. Okay. So the weekdays I want to type Sunday. Only I have written Sunday. That's enough for the computer. The Excel will understand that I need weekdays. So now after typing, select the cell by clicking on it. Okay. Then keep the cursor on the bottom right corner until you get a small black plus symbol. Okay, then click and drag it. See, it goes up to Saturday I need. If we again drag it, then what will happen? Again Sunday, Monday, it will be keep repeated. Got it? Then next one is January. January. Okay. After see spelling mistake, if you make a spelling mistake, then nothing will happen. Okay. See, I typed it over here, and you can see the same thing in the formula bar. January. Okay. After typing, select the cell, keep the cursor at the bottom right corner, click and drag it. So I want up to December. If you keep drag, then what will happen? The same month name will be repeated again. See, 1, 2, 3 up to 50, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, January, February. So this is the way the fill handle works. Is it clear for all? That's good. So what is fill handle? Fill handle, it's a small black color square at the bottom right corner of an active cell. If you enter any data and if you just use a fill handle, then which will automatically fill the logical series. So make sure that it will fill only logical series, and you have to make the Excel understand that what you need. Without writing anything, if you just keep press on it, nothing will happen. So you have to enter something here. Okay, if I type number 1, just 1, and I click and drag it, what does it understand? It understands that Excel understands that I want number 1 for many times. So you can see only 1 it's displayed. You have to tell Excel that what pattern of numbers you need. Okay, then only it will give the appropriate numbers, and it is helpful only for the logical series. Okay, go and try that. You write your class first roll number and click and drag it, you won't get your class details. Okay, all the students names you won't get it. Only the logical series, universally accepted logical series, only you will get it. Fine. Okay, this is a new concept I thought of teaching you, dear children. So I hope Excel is clear for all the students. Am I right? Well, I would like to conduct a test paper from this chapter, not this week, next week. Okay, I'll let you know when. And meanwhile, I'll send you the answers for this chapter. All of you write it in your computer notebook without fail. Also fill in the blanks. Got it? Well, students, so after your exam, I think you are relaxing. Don't get relaxed. You still have a term exam. Term 2 is there. So concentrate on your studies, and after exam, you can relax. Well, stay home, stay safe, students. Have a great day.